This is CNBC TV18 and you're watching India Business Hour. Now here's a CNBC TV18 exclusive. The UB Group is all set to step into retailing. CNBC TV18 Srinjoy Sharma and Krishna Kumar report that come 2007, you could be headed to a Kingfisher store to do your shopping.
The next time you want to buy your favorite bottle of scotch, or that mouth-watering can of caviar, or the perfect crystal crockery to impress your in-laws, or something comfortable to slip into, you might find yourself heading to the Kingfisher brand of stores. That's right, the UB Group is hopping on the retail wagon and plans to set up 25 retail stores with a total investment of 250 crore rupees. The first of these is slated to come up in Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. You might find yourself headed there if you want the regular sports bar experience too.
We'll be offering the entire industry products, and additionally we believe that whatever it takes to educate and facilitate consumption of beverage alcohol, those accessories can be made available.
UB is not banking on its own stores alone. It wants a UB store cleaved out of other major retail outlets. For this shop-in-shop format, it's talking to the Bharti Walmart venture, Reliance, Pantaloon and Subiksha. Analysts say this strategy could work wonders for the group. But when it comes to the Kingfisher brand of outlets,
I do have my personal opinion on the success of a model or a scalability of such model. I think retailing is all about being into detail of what you do, how you plan your business. Retail can never happen out of fashion. It can happen definitely out of passion.
Such a reaction could be well-founded. After all, UB does have a poor history in retail. It's been 10 years and the group's retail chain store with Manoveer Raj Khosla is still stuck at 1. And all the 6 UB stores that opened in 2001 have closed down. But its two-pronged strategy may help Malia add shopping to the list of what makes him the king of good times. With Srinjoy Sharma in Bangalore, in Mumbai, Krishna Kumar.
And we'll catch you all again in 2007. In fact, we'll be right there to bring you India Business Hour on the fest itself. So do tune in for a brand new India Business Hour in 2007. For all of us here, good night and thanks for watching. But the nation's business is up next. The big story there, the poll fever has begun with Punjab, Uttaranchal and UP heading towards elections. We'll also tell you about a mass grave that's been unearthed in Noida next to the capital. Serial killers on the loose there. And we'll also tell you about what happened in Durban on day 4. It was a washout, bad light and a disastrous beginning by Virendra Sehwag. All of that and more coming up for you on The Nation's Business. Happy New Year.